Hi again, everyone. This is Only Scarcely Scaly, with a video about my new method for rendering eyeballs in Blender. The eyeball is comprised of 3 UV spheres, which I tilted onto their sides so that the north and south poles face forward and backwards rather than up and down. Here in wireframe display mode, we can see the first of these spheres, the innermost, with identical pairs of irises and pupils at either pole, sculpted into the mesh. The second, slightly larger than the first, has cornea projections at either pole instead of iris depressions. And the third sphere is a duplicate of this second one, but slightly larger. In the rendered display mode now, we can see the lighting and textures applied to the spheres. I rendered all of these in Photopea, mostly from scratch, though I made the blood vessels by altering a map of Liberia's river systems, created by Robert Such for Grasshopper Geography. By having 2 similar but distinct irises on either end of the same sphere, I can make a pair of eyes to situate in a face, just by duplicating, rotating, and relocating one of them. These eyes are part of my digital sculpture of the Australopithecus fossil, nicknamed Littlefoot, and so a small number of you have already caught a glimpse of them in my update to that project from a month ago. Moving on to the shading workspace, I can get into the textures I gave each of the spheres, one by one, starting with the iris-bearing one. This first image provides color to the 2 irises, with the relevant data limited to the top and bottom, the sort of polar latitudes, so to speak. The iris's physical texture, meanwhile, comes from this grayscale image attached as a displacement map, its highlights creating ridges and its shadows creating furrows. The sclera-bearing sphere has one image texture providing its color, and a grayscale image attached as an alpha mask for the corneas, with opaque, translucent, and transparent regions on the sphere, corresponding to white, gray, and black pixels, respectively. Lastly, this sphere only provides the gloss, applying it evenly to both the sclera and the corneas, with a very faint displacement map based on the second sphere's blood vessels. I'll wind this back and zoom in on some of these image attachments now, so you can see in better detail how they subtly differ for either hemisphere. Since the details for both eyes come from different parts of the same image, they turn out to be distinct but similar because they result from the same sequence of procedures, applied to slightly different initial noise and cloud renders. I still don't have a way of imitating all the subtle qualities of real eyeballs, but in the meantime, I'm satisfied with my current methods, and I look forward to applying them to even more of the various people and animals I render. Thanks for watching.